Welcome back everyone, and in this video we'll be learning something about the while loop. I bet that does not make any sense at this point, but trust me, it will by the time you end this, or by the time you're done with this video. So first off, let's create an integer. We'll call this loop. Okay, you can just end that right there, and then we'll create a while, and it's a function, so you use those you open and close brackets, and then you use curly braces, and within the while loop you can say loop less than or equal to 5, and then you'll just say cout cout hello. So let's say you wanted to say hello like 1,000 times. Now you could just copy and paste that 1,000 times, but instead of that you can use this. You can actually even keep it 0 at this point, and if you build and run this, okay, 1 minute, int loop equals 0. So if we build and run this, okay, yeah, there we go. It has probably said hello like 10 million times by now, but yeah, now this is mostly useful while running something like a program that you want to repeat infinitely, but we can do better, right? Yeah, so let's do something else instead. We'll create a sort of cascading addition calculator. I know we're getting a little repetitive with the calculators, but let's just do it for now. We'll define another variable which will be an int called total, and we'll have yeah, that's pretty much it actually. And then in here we'll say okay, first off, before we do that, just remove that. Let's say you wanted to say hello there almost 5 times, or rather we can say something like this line has been executed, and then we can say loop, and then we can say we can say times. And if I was to run this, let me just do that, and one more thing I wanted to show you is if I do loop plus plus, what it basically does is it adds 1 onto the variable loop. So eventually it'll keep on adding 1 and 1 and 1, and then it will just let me show you this actually. Yeah, so what will happen right now is first the loop is 0. We'll set this to 1 actually. So the first time this while loop is run, it'll see the variable loop is less than or equal to 5. So I'll just run it again, and then it'll do loop plus plus, which is basically loop plus 1. So we'll get 2, and this will repeat until 5 times. Let me show you how that works. You see, it has been executed 5 times. Now over to a little bit advanced calculation mechanism. What we can do is we can add 5 different numbers at a time. Now you could like set 5 variables and then keep copy pasting the code, but this is much easier. So we'll just say cout enter your okay, okay, let's set up a basic if statement first actually. We'll say okay, we'll say okay, if, and do that, if loop equals 1, then we'll say cout enter your first number, and then do that, else if. So we'll be executing this command 5 times, so you can add 5 different sort of 5 different numbers at once. So if loop equals 5, then we'll just say cout enter your last number, and then we'll have another else saying cout, enter your next number. So I bet this will make sense if you can if you just spend a little time reading it. Now we'll do a cin, which will actually we'll have to set it over here, int a. So cin will be a, and we'll have a total over here, total, int total, int total. Okay, so now what we'll be doing is we'll say total equals total plus a. So what it is doing right now is, before setting this equal to something, it'll check the old total, which was something. It'll set the old total plus the new total to total. Now it might be taking a bit of time registering this into your slow brain, but trust me, it makes complete sense if you just sort of concentrate a bit, or rather spend a little time with it. So yeah, when we build and run, we get an error. That's because I missed a semicolon. And now okay, so first it asks me enter your first number. I'll say 50, or rather 40, and 29. Now you see that it's saying enter your first number when the loop equals 1, because we set the loop equal to 1 here. And once this is done, it goes to this. When I see in a, I just entered 40 over there, so the total will be 0, because by default it is 0, plus a, which will make it whatever it's supposed to be. And then we'll do loop plus plus, so the value of loop will become 2 instead of 1 that we set here. It becomes 2, and then it checks, okay, so loop is less than or equal to 5, so we'll run this again, and then again, and then again, until loop's value becomes more than 5, when it just won't be run. And then we can say 30, and then 21, and then it says enter your last number, because if loop equals 5, then it says enter your enter your last number. So I'll enter this as 91. Oh, okay. Yeah, we're supposed to do this actually. Cout total, and now when I build and run this, it will get me the answer: 20, 31, 23, 49, 21. So I got 142, which is, if in case you did not know, it is the actual answer. So yeah, so that's how you use while loops. We'll be using this a lot more, trust me, we'll be using it a lot more, and it is a very important aspect in C++ programming. I think even if you didn't understand this, I think you should spend some time with it, try some things around, and yeah, if you have any problems, you can just comment in the video below, and I will try my best. Comment in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe.